Earnings season continues, and we've got content, concerts, and cash on the docket right now. We're going to look at Warner Brothers Discovery, Live Nation, and Block in today's earnings exchange. And here with our trades, Quint Tatro, Joule Financial founder and president. Quint, welcome. Let's start off with Warner Brothers Discovery. Those shares down nearly 40% over the past year. Deutsche Bank watching content on both the big and small screens as the company looks to grow Max subscribers and cash in at the box office with Dune Part 2 and Joker 2. The Street also listening for any details on the launch of its sports streaming venture with Fox and ESPN. But you, Quint, are not impressed here. You're a seller. Why?
Yeah, good to see you, Tyler. Thanks for having me back. This one is tough. It looks trap-like. I mean, on all accounts, this would be normally an attractive stock to us. It's trading 0.5 book, 0.5 sales. They're looking to return to profitability with $2 billion in cash. But the reality is the price action stinks. I mean, it just can't seem to get out of its own way. And so I think as an investor, you can identify the fundamentals. They might be attractive here, but you got to wait for a catalyst. The Street's expecting a loss of about 11 cents on $10 billion in revenue. I mean, if they have an upside surprise and the stock starts to turn around, there's no rush. And then you can go back in and take a position. But ahead of these earnings, I would not touch this name. Price action is terrible.
Is the sports app that they're trying to generate here with Fox and others, is that a game changer for them, or do you think not?
It could be all the above, even Dune. I mean, I love a good movie, right? So all of this, and you look at this and you look at the fundos and you say, why is this stock trading where it is? And so something must be I always will respect the price action. So I have to do that. So at this stage, again, I don't know what seems to be wrong with the stock, but something's up. And it's not the stock, so I wouldn't touch it here until it turns
or something's down, and that would be the stock. All right, Live Nation shares of that ticketing and events platform up 20% over the past year. Oppenheimer keeping an eye on event demand, growth in its venue ownership business, and the results of the ongoing DOJ probe into potentially anti-competitive practices with Live Nation. Quint, what would you do here?
Yeah, you threw out some good ones today, Tyler. Live Nation is interesting. I can wear two hats with this one. In the investor camp, I can't touch it. $6 billion in debt, a hangover from COVID. It's just not for me. But it looks interesting for a trade. The stock's trading about 40 times forward earnings, but those earnings are growing at about 36, 37%. But here's the kicker. If this thing catches a spark, it's got about 10% of the float short. I think if you want to wear your trading hat here, you could get long this name with a stop at 87. But as far as an investment for me, I have to be a debt guy, and it has just too much debt on the balance sheet.
All right, we should point out that we've got an exclusive interview with Live Nation CEO right here on the exchange tomorrow. That's at 1 o'clock. Michael Rapino will join us. Finally, let's move on to Block. Shares there down 7% in a tough year that included a two-day outage and a scathing short seller report. Jefferies hoping its seller and buy now, pay later services can offset weaknesses in the cash app. Quint, what's your trade here on Block? They've got a lot of cash.
Yeah, this one I like, Tyler. I'd be a buy on this name. It sort of checks all the boxes for us. So we have little to no debt, $6 billion in cash. Their forward estimates, if they hit them, it trades at a multiple of about 21, and that would be about 60% in growth. And ultimately, it's an unloved stock. And in this environment, it's hard to find stocks that have attractive fundos, they're set up well, and they're not already run. And this one is kind of checking all those boxes. So I like this name. It's the buy on our list today.
I want to get your reaction to the Dow crossing 39,000 for the first time, 40,000 in its sights, up 1,000 points in 31 days. Happy?
It's fantastic, right? I mean, we work with retail investors every day. They speak Dow. Even though we all care about the S&P, they speak Dow, and I think when it crosses 40,000, they're gonna take notice. In my opinion, still the most hated bull market I've seen in a very, very long time. $7 trillion on the sidelines in money market. People are just super scared of chasing the indices, but what they got to do is look under the hood. Small caps, emergings, other interest rate sensitive areas are not as stretched as the Mag 7. So this market, if we get a subtle downtick in rates, the other areas could take off, and that's what we like here. The opportunity for this bull to spread its wings to other areas and keep going.
All right, Quint, thank you. Appreciate it. Quint Tatro, Joule Financial.